tip number 204 from the book 501 Contractor Tips. Understanding your income tax statement. Hey, I jumped the gun in the previous video and covered most of this. I'm not going to beat this one here to death, but it is. Get some books, get the information. IRS has it. I'm sure the state has it. Get an income tax. Take one of your income tax statements and look at everything on it. If there's something you have a problem with, you can always ask your accountant or your tax professional. And I hate to say this, but if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you're on the internet. You're able to connect to the internet. And there is a lot of information about taxes that you can actually use to understand what you're looking at. I mean, for example, let's just say that it says line 25 gross income. Type line 25 gross income into a search engine and see what it pulls up. You'd be surprised. They know what this is because the search engines are getting better. Get some books, basic accounting, taxes, and it goes back to what I said before. The more information you have, it's like a warrior going into battle. If you have a machine gun, a sword, hand grenades, armor, plated protection, special hats, there's a good chance that you're going to survive. You're going to be a little bit stronger. You're going to have a little more capability to accomplish the task you're trying to accomplish. It's the same thing as a contractor. The more tools you have, and you know this, the more tools you have, the better job you can do. If you have a special tool that drills a special hole a special way, and it costs you $500, and you're going to be able to do this in, 5 minutes instead of 2 hours, you understand the benefit of this. And this is the same basic principle when it comes to taxes. Now, mind you, this tax thing, I want to say that since I've been going through the tax portion of this book, it's boring. It bores people to death. I probably already mentioned this. I don't think I've sold very many books. I've got to get out of the boring tax chapter and into the next chapter. I think it's on estimating. Why? Because people are bored. They don't want to watch these videos. But I'm telling you right now, if you actually are watching this video, that you've got to learn every part you possibly can about taxes. It's just like estimating. If you don't know how to estimate, or you're not very good at it, and you're not going to take the time to improve your skills, then you're throwing money away. Now, if you're the kind of contractor, and most of them, if you're the kind of contractor who isn't really going to educate themselves, there's a good chance you're not going to be watching this video. The people who are watching these videos are people who are interested in the information. They're interested in learning more, improving their skills, becoming more efficient business people, and making more money. And it's just not that hard to figure out. More information, the more you know about taxes, the better off you're going to be. And you can say it with me here, because it's going to save you money. If you're interested in saving money, then you're going to need to find the information. You're going to need to learn how. That's why you got to dig into this stuff. And really, just doesn't apply to taxes. It applies to every part of your business. Every part of your business, hands down, get as much information as you possibly can.